Very good morning to the respected judges. Myself, Deboshi Datto, a student of class 8 of Sharada Vidyamandi CBSE. Today, on the grand occasion of Akhil Bharatiya Ganit Vigyan Mela, I am going to present the traditions of India with the scientific evidences behind them. So by taking blessing from Om, Bharat Mata and Ma Saraswati, I want to begin my presentation. Himalayam samarabhya javat Indu sarovaram tang deva nirmitam desham Hindusthanam prachakshate. India is a country with rich cultural diversity. India is a country that extends from Himalaya to the Indian Ocean. This vast country has rich tradition, and these traditions are proven scientific by the researchers who are present all over the world. In my presentation, I am going to present some such traditions which has been proven scientific by the researchers all around the world. Let's start with Namaste. Now, when we join the tips of our finger, the pressure point of mind, ear and eye and other body parts get activated, which lead to their proper functioning. And the process Namaskar is also contactless, which reduces the risk of communicable diseases. Now, in India, there is a tradition of blowing a conch. Now, when we blow conch, our lungs muscle get expanded, which improves our respiratory system. It also activates our central nervous system by vibration. Jagadish Chandra Bose has said that blowing a conch destroys many harmful microorganisms that is present in the surrounding. Om. Om is the first sound of the universe. It is auspicious sound in Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism and Sikhism. When we chant Om, we can feel that our stomach muscles getting relaxed. This relaxation of the stomach muscles improves our stomach health. It also maintains our blood pressure and heart rate. Yagna and science. Is Yagna really scientific? Yes, the process is absolutely scientific. Even it has many wonderful explanations behind it. The temperature released from Yagna help in diffusion of vaporized particle that is present in the surrounding, thus maintaining the temperature balance of the surrounding. The fume of the Yagna cures various diseases such as jaundice, insomnia, hair fall, etc. The fume of the Yagna also reduces the pollution by reducing the surplus carbon dioxide that is present in the air and converting it into formaldehyde, which acts as an antiseptic agent. Surya Namaskar. Nowadays, there is a trend of performing Surya Namaskar. Actually, Surya Namaskar is a combination of 12 great yoga poses, which is a great cardiovascular workout. Now, when we perform Surya Namaskar, the active inhalation and exhalation process that is continued throughout the Surya Namaskar keeps our lungs ventilated and blood oxygenated, thus magnifying our blood circulation. And all of us know that Surya Namaskar is generally performed in front of the rising sun at early morning. And the early morning sun is a great source of vitamin D. Thus, it also enriches our body with vitamin D. Now, we Indians are closely interwoven with nature. We worship different kinds of plants. Just for example, tulsi, bale, people. Now, the basic reason behind worshipping any kind of plants or animal is to protect themselves or them from becoming extinct. So, different plants have different medicinal property. Just for example, tulsi is used to cure various diseases such as cold, sore throat, flu. It also reduces the chances of cancer. Bale is rich in vitamin A, C, calcium, potassium, and people. People is a tree that provides oxygen during the night time. Now, there are many traditions followed in India. Let's talk about some of the popular traditions which are followed in India. Touching feet of elder. Now, when we touch the feet of elders by crossing our arms, energy flow between both the body occurs. Thus, our fingers become the receptor of energy and the feet of that person become the giver of the energy. It also improves our blood circulation as we have to bend down while touching the feet of elders. Wearing tilak. Nowadays, many Indians who are influenced by the Western culture feel shame to wear tilak. but they are unaware of the benefits of wearing tilak. Now, when we wear tilak, a nerve point present here known as Ajna Chakra is pressed, and pituitary and pineal gland are stimulated. Thus, the optimal hormone production results in improved physical health, mental clarity, and emotional well-being. Not sleeping with our head pointing towards north. Now, when we sleep with our head pointing towards north, our body's magnetic field interferes with that of the earth, thus, which can cause disturbed sleep, even nightmares. Like this, many traditions are there followed in India which cannot be discussed in such a short time. Just for example, use of diya during Diwali, yoga, Ayurveda, use of haldi, etc. Now, India has countless number of traditions that is followed in India. But not all of these traditions are useful and beneficial for the well-being of the people. Some traditions are still there which harms the mother nature a lot. Just for example, animal sacrifice, then child marriage. This tradition destroys the ecological balance. So as an Indian, our duty is to aware people regarding the drawbacks of this tradition. So we can use a booklets like this to aware people of India regarding the drawbacks of these traditions. So I want to conclude my presentation by praying to Almighty that may the Almighty guide us from ignorance to knowledge. Om asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma yotirgamaya mrityod ma mritam gamaya Om shanti shanti shanti. Thank you. Bharat Mata ki jai and jai Vigyan.
Very well performed.
You had those references which I was asking.
Yes, ma'am, I have some references.
I saw it in this booklet. The points were very well highlighted. The
Thank
key
you, ma'am.
points were highlighted. One of the best presentation till now, I must say. One point you raised was one of the tradition is fasting. Now there are two hypes which are going these days. One is fasting and one is intermittent fasting. आपको डिफरेंस कुछ पता है उसका आइडिया?
Ma'am, can you repeat what fasting?
एक फास्टिंग है
हाँ.
और एक आजकल चल रही है इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग.
Intermittent fasting.
हाँ जी.
Fasting जो we actually fast during any festival. Now
Yeah.
this fasting helps us. That means this fasting releases digestive juices, which destroys. That means which actually digest many food, and it improves our digestive system. And intermittent fasting, I think fasting without taking water or something like that. Actually, I don't have any idea regarding this. I just guessed it. Thank you.
One thing you mentioned about the science behind blowing the conch.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any evidence regarding stimulant childs when they use conch?
Yes, ma'am. I have some references with me. I can show you.
In which you have some in your booklet?
Yes, ma'am. I have another file.
Okay.
Actually, ma'am, the vibration that is produced from the conch, it releases our mind through the ear. And this, actually, stammering is a nerve problem. And this vibration help to cure that problem.
Very well. I must say this is very well presentation. Okay, my question to you is, what is the reason behind we can't sleep under trees at night?
Actually, we cannot sleep under trees at night. All of us know that trees provide that means trees respire during night time and produce carbon dioxide. So, if we sleep under trees, our body will be reaching carbon dioxide and we will suffer from carboxyhemoglobin. That means our bodies will be reaching carboxyhemoglobin, which can cause different problems.
Okay, plants produces carbon dioxide at night. Is it right?
Actually, I have read in book that plant do photosynthesis during daytime and plant
Yeah.
respire at night time. And if plant respire, I think plant will produce carbon dioxide. Because we also produce carbon dioxide during respiration.
Normally, photosynthesis takes place by absorbing carbon
Carbon
dioxide from the
dioxide.
nature
Yes, ma'am.
and with the help of sunlight and so, and produces oxygen, right? At the night time, they releases the carbon dioxide which is stored inside them. that doesn't produce that, but
Okay, okay.
that store जो उन्होंने दिन के टाइम पे किया होगा for photosynthesis, रात के टाइम पे वो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो वो रिलीज आउट करेंगे, right? Okay, thank you.
Okay, ma'am.